Name a U.S. president you think could have been a winner on Jeopardy.
We're gonna go with J. Edgar Hoover. He was smart. He was smart.
Good answer. Smart.
I'm the only one that don't see the problem with this answer right here. I'm the only one. Oh, y'all ain't gonna say nothing. You just want me to turn around and holler out J. Edgar Hoover. You want me to turn around and diss one of the presidents? That's what you want me to do? J. Edgar Hoover, the little man with the glasses on that ran the FBI. You know what I love about y'all as an audience? Y'all such nice people. Because y'all was just trying to share. Steve. Please, Steve, you know good and well. Steve, just turn it over. Don't. You ain't got to do that to them, Steve. But I didn't do that to them. That was their answer. You saw the movie J. Edgar Hoover. It was just out a few years ago. He wasn't the president or nothing. Number 4. Your ass on YouTube. Your whole damn family on YouTube. Your whole damn family gonna be on YouTube. This about to be on YouTube.
I'm gonna end up on YouTube.
Oh, my dear gracious.